Hello guys, Apple here from WildLab YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn CSS Grid. So before we start, you need some basics HTML and CSS skills. So yeah, before we start, okay, just with Windows Paint, we have this basic design. I want the page like I would have those like cards thing. Those, and I want them to look like this in the desktop, and then when I resize it I want it to be like, okay, let's say this is the let's say this is a phone window. I want them to stack like this. So yeah, let's get started. First we're gonna need basic HTML page. First we're gonna rename the title to CSS Grid tutorial. So let us check. Nice. Okay, the phone view, good. So first, in the CSS Grid you need a container. So we can start with container. Let us create a style tag right here. Let's be so basic, don't go crazy with this. Container, and then you're gonna change the display to grid. Second, let's say those boxes that we would have. Okay, change box class box to be height of 100 pixel, width of 100 pixel, and I think that's we need the background color. Color, let's say something dark. Yeah, cool. Nice. So yeah, you have multiple ways of designing the grid, but you can go with the template column thing like this. Grid template columns, and then here how you define it. So we want it in the desktop to look like this: one fraction. This is just a unit, you know. So we need multiple copies of this. Okay, we need some padding. So you see it works, but we need some padding here. You can just for padding in the grid you can just say grid gap, so it would add a gap between columns and rows. So we wanted 10 pixels. You see, good. Let's make those boxes bigger, something like 2050. Cool. So it says we want to, let's check our design. No, it's not similar. So now if we go to the phone version, you see it fits them. Let's say those have content. If they had content, something like this, lorem 30. Okay, you see, if we preview them over here, you barely can read anything. So we wanted to full width, like one per column. First, you can shortcut this one fraction to be repeat. Okay, repeat function. Then it says how many columns you want. We want 4. How big is the column is? We want it to be one fraction. Then semicolon. Okay, it's just nothing we're gonna change. It's just the same. Cool. So now what we can do is if you change this to be, let's say, one column, then we did this. We want it to look like this. Not like this. We're gonna change some things, but something close to this. But the problem is we have the same look in the desktop. We want the desktop to look like 4 columns and the phone to look as 1 column. So what we're gonna do is use media queries. Max height. Let's say 500 pixel. Not height width, sorry. Let's then we're gonna change this. We're gonna copy this, paste it here, and give this big to 4. Now, oh, this is 640. No, this is 640 is the height. Media query. Something wrong. Query. Give me a moment. But check. Oh my goodness, sorry guys. Container. Not your work. Yeah, nice. So we want it to be like 600, I guess. And then we can change the justify content item size center. Good job. You see, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, I hope you understand something. You get out of this video with something useful. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace out.